You do not need to spend a fortune to get a decent camera. Whether you need a webcam for work, a vlogging camera for content creation, or a simple point and shoot for family moments, there are solid options under $100. I have tested the top budget cameras of 2026 to find out which ones actually deliver usable image quality, decent features, and reliable performance without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. The eMeet is the best budget webcam for remote workers and streamers who need decent video quality without spending much. This plug-and-play webcam delivers 1080p video at a smooth frame rate, making it perfect for Zoom calls, Teams meetings, or casual streaming. The built-in microphone is surprisingly clear for the price, picking up your voice without too much background noise. The autofocus is fast enough for most use cases, and the low-light performance is acceptable for well-lit rooms. The clip mounts securely on laptops or monitors, and the adjustable angle lets you frame yourself perfectly. The cable is long enough for most setups, and the driver-free installation works instantly on Windows, Mac, and even some streaming platforms. For anyone who needs a reliable webcam for work or school without spending a lot, this is the smart choice. Check the link in the description below. The Ruwaqart is the best compact digital camera for beginners who want an affordable point and shoot for everyday moments. This small camera is lightweight and portable, making it easy to toss in a bag for trips or events. The 4K video recording is impressive at this price, though the frame rate is modest. The still image quality is decent and good lighting, with colors that are pleasant, if not perfectly accurate. The camera features a simple menu system that is easy to navigate, making it great for kids or first-time users. The built-in flash helps in low-light situations, and the rechargeable battery lasts for a reasonable number of shots. The camera also functions as a webcam via USB, adding versatility. For parents buying a first camera for a child, travelers wanting a cheap backup, or anyone curious about photography on a tight budget, this is a solid entry point. Grab yours through the link in the description below. The VJIANGER is the best vlogging camera under $100 for content creators who want video features on a budget. This camera is designed with video in mind, offering features like a flip-out screen so you can see yourself while recording. The video quality is decent for social media content with enough resolution for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts. The built-in microphone picks up your voice adequately, though you will want an external mic for better audio. The camera includes a remote control for starting and stopping recording without touching the device, which is handy for solo creators. The battery life is respectable, and the camera can be used while charging for longer sessions. The included accessories like a small tripod and lens cloth add value. For aspiring vloggers, social media creators, or anyone wanting to dip their toes into video content without spending much, this is a fantastic option. I have linked the VJIANGER down in the description. The ZOMFOM is the best action camera alternative under $100 for adventure seekers who want a cheap GoPro-style camera. This tiny camera is waterproof with the included case, letting you capture underwater moments or rainy day adventures without worry. The wide-angle lens captures immersive footage that is perfect for biking, hiking, or travel vlogs. The video quality is solid for the price, with decent colors and exposure, and good lighting. The camera includes a variety of mounts and accessories right in the box: helmet mounts, handlebar mounts, and adhesive pads, so you can start recording immediately. The battery is removable and you can buy spares for longer shooting days. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you transfer footage to your phone for quick editing and sharing. For budget-conscious adventurers, parents wanting a cheap camera for kids to use roughly, or anyone wanting an action camera without GoPro prices, this is a great value. Check the link in the description below. The OBSBOT Meet SE is the best premium webcam under $100 for streamers and professionals who want better image quality than basic webcams. This camera delivers sharp 1080p video with excellent color accuracy and auto framing that keeps you centered in the shot. The AI-powered tracking is impressive at this price, following your movements as you present or stream. The low light performance is significantly better than cheaper webcams, making you look good even in less than ideal lighting. The built-in microphone is clear, and the privacy cover gives you peace of mind when the camera is not in use. The mounting options include a tripod thread and a monitor clip, giving you flexibility. The software lets you adjust exposure, white balance, and other settings for fine-tuning. For streamers, online teachers, or anyone who spends hours on video calls and wants to look professional, this is worth the investment. I have linked the OBSBOT Meet SE down in the description for you. That wraps up the best cameras under $100 for 2026. Whether you need a simple webcam like the eMeet, a vlogging camera like the VJIANGER, or an action camera like the ZOMFOM, every link is waiting in the description below. If this helped you find the perfect budget camera for your needs, hit that subscribe button for more honest tech breakdowns, and I will see you in the next one.